show will be starting in just a few moments. Thank you for your patience.
Hello and welcome. This is Lorenz for Create a Learning Site, the place to go deeper in your understanding of the Bible. This is going to be short. It's an announcement, really. There is a revised edition of the digital Toolbox, first published a little bit more than a year ago. I've checked all the links and I've added a number of new ones. All in all, there's about 250 links relevant for studying or teaching a particular book of the Bible. So if you're interested, head over to the website at wilrens.org to find out more about it. That's it for this month.
The show will be starting in just a few moments. Thank you for your patience.